Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions.
Hi, I'm Eric Grant with Sailrite. In this short tutorial video, we're going to demonstrate the HandyPress and its ability to install the W-1 hand press by CS Osborne dies. There are many different dies that are made for the W-1 machine, and the HandyPress sets them beautifully. We're going to demonstrate just one die in this tutorial video, but all of them work in a similar way.
Before we get started, you need to know that the HandyPress may just be the best hand press ever made. Besides the fact that it takes almost any brand die set made for any brand hand press, it has some major advantages that other hand presses don't even come close to matching. I highly recommend you watch the demo video showing the amazing features of the HandyPress. To see it, click the link in the description or in the upper right hand corner of this video. To demonstrate the W-1 CS Osborne dies, we're going to install a number 5 Spur Grommet in this video. If the thumb screw is installed in the upper shaft, remove it and thread it into the keeper on the side of the HandyPress. To install a Spur Grommet, first a hole needs to be cut in the fabric assembly. Screw on the appropriate hole cutter for the size Spur Grommet that you're installing. On the base, slide on the HandyPress sliding flat workbench. Then place the cutting board on top. It fits snugly over the back fence. The workbench can be slid forward and back and then locked in place, so now you have a back fence to quickly cut holes in your fabric assembly accurately. Before creating that first hole, remove your fabric assembly and lower the lever so the die touches the cutting board. Then raise the die with the lever. Obviously, dies come in different sizes and shapes. You'll need to adjust the upper shaft so that you get the appropriate amount of compression. I like to call it the sweet spot. The shaft can be turned to raise or lower it. The objective is to have the upper die come in contact with the cutting board while the lever is horizontal or slightly lower. Now we're ready to cut holes. This is 3 layers of a Top Gun fabric. We lower the lever. It punches right through, making a clean hole in our fabric assembly. Simply move the fabric to the next location and depress the lever again to punch multiple holes quickly. Extra fine tuning can be done by simply rotating the shaft up or down. Remove the workbench and also the upper cutting die in preparation for the setting dies. Thread the upper W-1 die onto the shaft. Since these dies are so large, you may have to rotate the shaft up to get the bottom die in its position. On the side of the HandyPress are 2 adapters. We'll use the larger adapter here for the bottom die. The HandyPress is designed to handle multiple size dies, so this adapter makes it perfect for the W-1 dies. Use the thumb screw and lock the die in place. Since these dies are different sizes, it's time to adjust the shaft for that sweet spot. So when the dies touch, the lever needs to be horizontal or slightly downward. This will give us the ability to achieve maximum compression in a similar way that vice grips work. Since this die is so large, we have to adjust it up a long way, but that's one of the advantages of the HandyPress. There we go, we have our horizontal sweet spot. It's important to place the female Spur Grommet portion on the lower die and the upper male portion through the fabric assembly. Then position them over top of each other. Now all we need to do is pull the lever down, and you'll find it's quite easy to do even with this super large Spur Grommet. If you need to make adjustments to the first grommet, simply rotate the shaft up or down for those adjustments. Then your tool is set permanently for multiple Spur Grommet installations. The HandyPress will also work with multiple other brands and types of dies. We hope this video has been helpful. Check out our website to find out what other types and brands of dies will work with the HandyPress.